This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3, 10 plus, and an isolated venv so packages won't conflict. Once done, install a lightweight client like OpenEye or LangChain with pip, then export your API key into an environment variable so your code stays clean. Make sure to create a simple script file main. Now, we will import the client and read the key from OS. Environ. This gets you immediately into executable code rather than lengthy setup, letting you test a single request quickly. Now you write the core call, import the SDK, instantiate the client with the env key, and prepare a prompt template that separates instruction from variables. Once done, send a minimal request, a few lines, and print the response to validate format. Make sure to add simple error handling, catch timeouts, retry a couple times with exponential backoff, and log status codes. This helps you identify whether the issue is network, auth, or prompt design before adding complexity. Complete the workflow by refactoring your request into reusable functions, one to generate text, one to parse the output, and one to persist results. Once done, optimize cost by constraining max tokens and tuning temperature, lower temperature for deterministic responses. Make sure to add logging and a small retry wrapper for transient errors. If something goes wrong, first verify your API key and environment variable, then inspect rate limit headers and error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.